Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this product here to review. So this battery pack is awesome. It comes with a 3-pack that's rechargeable. It comes with a little stand here with a USB-C to a USB-A that I have plugged right into my power brick. But you can also charge this if you wanted to, just with the battery. So you can either plug this into a power source like the wall outlet or a USB-A brick, or you could just charge this up with the battery pack as well, just putting this right in. And you can see that everything's charging right here as well. It does have 4 light indicators, so as it's starting to charge, you'll see the lights go up on both sides. So you can charge 2 batteries at a time and you'll be able to see the status of everything charging. Put this in your Ring camera. This is compatible with multiple versions of the Ring camera. This is the Ring version 2 for us, but it works for 2 and 3, in addition to other Ring products as well. All you're going to do is just pop off the back of, and this just comes right off. You're going to take the battery that comes out, and this is the original battery that came with it, and then you will just pop this right in with the push button being on the front, and then you'll see this start to illuminate up, showing that it's starting to work. Now the batteries with this can last anywhere for up to 3 to 5 months. So now you have 3 additional batteries here. Plus, if you got a Ring camera with the battery already, you're already going to have one installed. So this is a great option. I would definitely recommend this. The ability to have 3 battery packs with a charger that you can just rotate all the time is extremely helpful, because you never know when the battery is going to die just based upon the usage and depending upon where you have your cameras. So I would definitely recommend this. It's small, it's compact, and it does everything it needs to do. So I would definitely say check this out.